Today, we will focus on the journals, which is the most popular resources. You can click this button and enter the journal database module. The full name of this database is China Online Journals, which is short for COJ. And in this journal database, there are over 8,000 journals, and the article totals about 15 million articles and abstracts. And all of these articles are categorized into 8 subjects. You can see the subjects on the left side. And you can click the different subject, and on the right side it will show the journals which belongs to this subject. You can retrieve the again in these journals with the journal's name or the ISSN number. When you click the journal's cover or the title, you can enter the specific page of this journal. This is the introduction of this journal. Of course, it's in Chinese. You can use the translation tools of the browser to translate the introduction into the language that you need. On the left side, it's the specific publication year of this journal. This journal is published monthly. So if you click these buttons, it will unfold the 12 volume or 12 issues of this year. And you click the specific issue on the right side, it will show the specific article or the content of these journals. Such as let's take this article as an example. You can click the title. Then we can see the very specific information of this article, including titles, the DOI number, a summary, Chinese summary and English summary, keywords, author unit, and the reference. This article just provides abstract. Of course, abstract is also of academic value. Let's take a look at other journals which can provide full text. Let's check Journal of the East China University of Politics and Law. And I choose one of the articles of this journal and click View Full Text. In the new page, we can see the full text of this article. Of course, you can download this article to your computer. So this is the article we have downloaded. So this is our journal database, which is very easy to use. Thank you.